Hi there, welcome back to the VPN Ryan's YouTube channel. Now, if you use a VPN, you've probably wondered about the server that you connect to. You've probably also wondered whether a VPN uses a real IP address or a fake one. And is it possible that you're using an IP address that is actually someone else's? Well, today, we're going to be answering all of these questions and more, so stick around. Since you're asking the question, do VPNs use a real IP address or make one up? Well, the answer to your question is VPNs use real IP address, not fake ones. So there is no need to worry about your IP address being made up. When you're connecting your VPN, you're actually rerouting your traffic to a server that is located in a real data center. This server has its own IP address, and this IP address is what will be seen by websites, not your real IP address. Now you might be wondering, okay, am I using a real IP address that is actually being used by someone else? Or in other words, am I using a random IP that is being used by someone else too? Well, here's the thing. The IP that you're using belongs to the VPN provider and is not owned by an individual user. Most VPN providers offer multiple servers, and these multiple servers are used simultaneously by multiple users. This is called a shared IP. But don't worry, you're not using someone else's personal IP address. You're simply using an IP that is used by a VPN provider and is owned by it. These IPs are leased by ISPs or hosting companies, so they are legitimate and specifically designed for VPN. And while we're at it, let's clear up another misconception. Some people wonder whether their internet connection could flow through another person's internet connection. This would only be possible if a malicious actor had hacked your router, which is a complicated and illegal process. And this is very different from what happens while you use a VPN. So rest assured, you're not using someone else's IP address. The IP you use is real, leased by your VPN provider, and intended for secure and anonymous browsing. That's it. In conclusion, VPNs use real IP addresses and there's nothing fake about them. While you may be sharing your IP address with multiple VPN users, you're not actually stealing someone's IP address. These addresses are 100% legitimate and leased by your VPN provider so that they can offer you secure and anonymous browsing. If this answered your question, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more VPN and tech related guides. And if you've got more questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to answer your questions and make a whole video out of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.